Namaskar, I am Arnav Kataria and you are watching School Tech News channel. The Israel's government said a drone targeted the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu house on Saturday on October 19, 2024, though there were no casualties as Iran's supreme leader vowed Hamas would continue its fight following the killing of the mastermind of last year deadly October 7 attack.
Siren wailed in Israel warning of incoming fire from Lebanon. The military said dozens of projectiles were launched. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office said the drone targeted his house in Mediterranean coastal town of Caesarea, though neither he nor his wife were home.
The barrage comes as Israel considers it its expected response to an Iranian attack earlier this month and presses its offensives against Hamas militants in Gaza and Hezbollah in Lebanon. In Gaza, Israeli forces fired at hospitals in the battered northern part of the Palestinian enclave and strikes in the Strip killed more than 50 people, including children, in less than 24 hours, according to hospital officials and an Associated Press reporter there.
In September, Yemen's Houthi rebels launched a ballistic missile towards Ben Gurion airport where Netanyahu's plane was landing. The missile was intercepted in addition to the drone launched at Netanyahu's private residence. Israel's military said some 180 projectiles were fired throughout the day from Lebanon on Saturday morning. A 50-year-old man was killed after being hit by shrapnel while sitting in his car in northern Israel and 4 people were injured, Israel Medical Service said.
In the northern city of Kiryat Ata, sirens blared as people ran for cover and intercepted missiles exploded in the sky. One rocket landed in the area and Associated Press reporters saw burned cars and a damaged building. Itzik Bilet, commander for the Haifa area, said 9 people were lightly injured.
Israel's war with Lebanon's Hezbollah, a Hamas ally backed by Iran, has intensified in recent weeks. Hezbollah said Friday that it planned to launch a new phase of fighting by sending more guided missiles and exploding drones into Israel. The militant group's longtime leader Hassan Nasrallah was killed in an Israeli airstrike in late September, and Israel sent ground troops into Lebanon earlier in October. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tech News channel. Namaskar.